hope you all had a cheerful week. So today I'm here with a fun activity planned out. It can be enjoyed by anyone and it also teaches us how the rain works. So without a further ado, let's move on to the experiment. Now let's look into the materials required. You need a glass jar or a clear container 3/4 filled with water, shaving foam, then any number of watercolor paints, and number of bowls as much as colors of paints you have. So I have chosen 4 colors, so I have 4 bowls, a pipette and something to stir with. So first you need some paints and we need to make it more liquidy so that it can flow using some water. This is the consistency you want. Okay, so now comes the clouds. So we are going to use shaving foam as the clouds. Carefully over this water layer, make a kind of thick layer of shaving. Taking each color and drop all of it into the clouds slowly. Make sure you do it slowly. So, wasn't that so beautiful and mesmerizing to watch? It was so much fun. Now all the colors have combined and it's all black, but it was so much fun to see the color go into the foam and then slowly diffuse into the water. It was so much fun. And here the foam is like so colorful. There's a whole party, holy going on in this jar. So now let's see what's the science behind this. In this experiment, we have used the shaving foam as the cloud. So we know that during the hot days or summer days, the water from all the water bodies evaporate in the form of water vapor and move into the higher up in the atmosphere. So when many such droplets, like we are talking some millions, trillions, billions of these droplets, they all come together, and when the cloud becomes heavy, the water comes down as rain, or if it's a cold region, it comes out as snow. So yeah, what we did here was same. So when I used the dropper and put in the paint, I put in some weight and the color could pass through the foam barrier and it went inside and diffused into the water. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Science Orb for quality content from my side. Leave all of your suggestions and comments down below and click click on the bell icon to turn on your notifications to never miss any of my uploads. Bye, meet you next week. Please try this out, it's super fun.